Well, boo to you, everyone. Here we are. We're ready to go. We're standing in our hotel room. You know, we're not really big into costumes, but happy haunts, $999. Let me know if you know what that means. Put a comment below. Juan Carlos is ready. He just wants free candy. He just wants the candy. So we are, if you don't know, we're heading to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. And we're super excited. We're on our way to the Magic Kingdom. We're up here in Orlando. So you guys get to come along with us and enjoy the adventure tonight. Well, we are in the car and leaving the hotel on our way to the Magic Kingdom. We got our candy bags. Trick or treat. We're going trick or treating.
Yeah.
It's a little hot for trick or treating, don't you think?
Yeah.
It's a little warm, but we're gonna get our candy on now. Hey everyone, Juan Carlos and I are on the Aladdin Magic Carpet rides. It's our first ride. Wonky, lean over. We are about to have a good time and take you along with us as we go into Agrabah and ride a magic carpet. Good time. We are off! Yay! Woo! Are you having fun, Juan Carlos?
Yeah.
Yay! Whee! Oh, and our ride is over.
Complete stop, then walk to the nearest exit. Come right with us.
She likes when I'm married.
You like when she marries bees. Have you smelled the bees? Clearly she hasn't smelled them.
Do you see that big swimming happening? Hi. Happy Halloween.
We're trick-or-treating now that we got evacuated. We're in Fantasyland. There's another treat location. Should we get more candy?
Yes.
Carousel or candy? What's it going to be?
Candy.
Candy. We're getting more candy.
Hi guys, happy Halloween.
Big candy.
I got candy.
Skittle.
Hi. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween, guys.
Candy. I'm just here for the candy.
Hi. Happy Halloween. You're
Bye.
welcome.
What's happening in there?
Nothing. Nothing's been happening in here. Oh, sure. See a man suffering, take a picture. That's great. That's really nice. No, that's good. Let's make sure that my misery is in focus for you. That's great. I'll tell you what. The worst thing about this is that my best friend turned me in. Gunpowder Pete. That filthy blackguard. He said that we were going to split the treasure 50-50. First chance he gets. He turns me into the constable so he can keep the treasure for himself. If any of you see Gunpowder Pete, you tell him he's a blackguard and a backstabbing scallywag and I don't like his face. Fire and win!
Strike your feathers, dearie. Show 'em your flock.
Hey, send them hens to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want. Drink up, me hearties.
Mighty mutt. Hit him with a sword.
There's candy over there. Trick or treat. Thanks, Dallas.
Of course. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. You can get some candy too.
Would you like some candy? I can
Of
get
course
you
I
some candy too. Trick or treat.
hello there, my family.
Ghosts are present, practicing their terror. Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
Give us a hint by ringing the bell.
There's a lot happening down there amongst the living.
Yeah.
Oh, look at how they all dress alike. Isn't that cute?
Ah, matching t-shirts.
Aw,
Nobody ever does that.
That is so cute. I'm gonna be sick if I
Are
weren't
you?
dead.
Yeah.
I like them though. They're a fun bunch. Hi, y'all, matching t-shirt people.
Is that Marky Mark?
What?
Oh, that's the Funky Bunch.
That's the funky bunch. Everybody say bye, Broom. Broom, wait, before you go, can I tell you my favorite poem?
Yes, madam. Nothing would give me more pleasure.
Spider, spider on the wall. Ain't you got no brains at all? Can't you see that wall is plastered? Can't you see that, you little... Bye, Broom.
Bye, madam.
You weren't expecting that last part, was you? That's how we do things around here. We kind of do things off the cut. Are you okay down there, lady? You gonna be all right? What is that soda pop bottle filled with? Not soda pop. Are you with Peter Pan? Do not ever get on an airplane with Peter Pan. You want to know why?
Why?
Because he will never land.
Get it?
I love those jokes. I love Peter Pan. Oh, and Captain Hook. What kind of store does Captain Hook shop at? A secondhand store. Thank you for those drums, mister. Where are you from?
Fort Lauderdale.
That explains it.
All right, we're about to ride the teacups. Yay! Yay! Happy Halloween, everyone! Yay! Here we go!
Beware, the headless horseman is here. Happy Halloween, 216 for you.
I know candy's all sticky and sweet and bad for your teeth, but what can I say? Beats broccoli. Hey everyone, happy Halloween! Who's ready for some candy?
right, everyone. So that about wraps up our day here in the Magic Kingdom for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party 2018. What do you think?
I love it.
You loved it?
Yes.
And did we get a lot of candy?
We did, yeah.
We did? Let's see. Look at all that. We got candy.
A lot.
Yeah, we don't have to look at it all right now, but we did a lot.
We did a lot.
We got stuck on a roller coaster. That was a first.
First, yeah.
Yeah,
It was interesting.
We saw the Boo to You parade.
I love it.
Yeah, that was awesome. We saw the fireworks, which were amazing. And we just ended the night at midnight with the Sanderson sisters and the castle show, which was great. And we definitely got to do a lot of attractions.
Yes.
We rode our favorites. We did Pirates of the Caribbean. We got to do Seven Dwarfs Mine Train twice. Yay. We did the teacups, which is an enhancement this year.
Yeah, it was a really good one.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. We did a couple things we never did before. Aladdin's carpet ride. We never did that.
Yeah.
So anyway, overall though, we had a
And
great
your favorite.
Of course, just like my shirt says, 999 happy haunts. We did the Haunted Mansion, which is my favorite attraction. So overall, I would say it was a successful 2018 Halloween Horror Nights. Definitely a little early in the year, but we had a good time. We hope you guys enjoyed the video as always. And what do we always tell them?
Please subscribe.
Yes, please do subscribe. And remember, everyone, happiness is a lifestyle. And with that, we're going to go ahead and get out of here. Thank you very much for watching as always. And until next time, peace out, everyone. Bye.
Bye.